Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a common scanner issue you're having. This is a problem prevented this document from being scanned. Please try again, or for troubleshooting information, see help and support or the information that came with the scanner. So this will apply for printers, scanners, basically any two-in-one printers slash scanners, which most printers are nowadays, like Canon, Epson, Brother, uh, HP, for example. So pretty straightforward, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to power cycle both your computer and your printer slash scanner. So that means just turn them off and then turn them back on again. So that often fixes a lot of issues, believe it or not. So first thing I'd recommend trying would be that. Next thing, if you open up the search menu, type in printers. Best match will come back with printers and scanners. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select the printer you're having the issue with over here, and then just left click on it. Select the Run the Troubleshooter option. And if it's able to identify any issues, hopefully it could resolve them through there. You can also attempt to actually remove the printer and then reinstall it or reattach it to your computer and just go through the online steps. If you have an online utility for the printer software, go ahead and download that and then just basically reinstall the printer. So that's something else you can try as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.